The old cat watched the golden sun paint the horizon with warmth. Gentle hands caressed his fur, love filling the quiet living room. A deep purr resonated, a sound of contentment and enduring trust. His mind wandered to playful days, chasing butterflies in sunlit gardens. He padded slowly to the worn chair, his sanctuary of peace and rest. The chirping bird outside brought a fleeting spark to his tired gaze. The child read aloud, her voice weaving comfort into the quiet evening. He nuzzled her hand softly, a gesture of affection and gratitude. Laughter filled the room as stories of his mischief brought joyful tears. The flames danced, their glow reflecting in his wise, knowing eyes. His dreams carried him to open fields, a place where time stood still. Sunlight crept in, painting golden streaks on the walls of his world. With determination, he climbed to see the world one last time. A delicate butterfly drifted near, its dance mesmerizing his weary gaze. Each slow lick was a ritual, a farewell to familiar, comforting routines. A soft blanket draped over him, their gesture filled with tenderness. His head rested on her lap, the bond between them unbroken by time. Raindrops tapped the window, a soothing rhythm matching his slowing breath. His eyes met theirs, a gaze full of love, gratitude, and quiet farewell. A deep breath escaped him, a soft sigh as his journey reached its end. Tears fell, their embrace a cocoon of shared grief and cherished memories. A flower was laid beside him, a symbol of love and eternal remembrance. His paw print was pressed into clay, a keepsake of his lasting legacy. A sapling was planted, its roots symbolizing life and love's enduring bond. Seasons passed, and the tree flourished, a testament to his cherished life. A butterfly alighted on the tree, as if drawn by his timeless spirit. Smiles returned as joyful memories replaced the ache of their loss. His photo stood on the mantel, a constant reminder of his unyielding love. The tree shimmered in the sunlight, its branches cradling his enduring spirit.